Alright, this is my practice demo for Screencast-O-Matic. I'm going to do the volume of this triangular prism, and we're going to focus on two things: the base, which is a triangle, and what we call the height of this solid figure, which is 20 feet. Okay, we're going to use our formula. Volume equals capital B, base area of this base, times the height of the solid. All right. I can find the area of this triangular base by doing 1/2 times 14 times 6. It gives me 42. And then if I take that area and multiply it by the height of my solid figure, it looks like I will get 840 feet, and my units are always in cubic units.